If you've come across videos like stop posting shorts, it will hurt your channel. Stop this, your channel will be deactivated. I got demonetized by doing this, by posting shorts, by then you are not alone. Hi fam, good day and welcome to another amazing video. My name is Princess Faku Angie. I'm a theater artist and a lifestyle content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. So let's talk about YouTube growth again. Let's look at it in another angle. You know, there are lots of tutorial videos now. When you just go on YouTube, you start seeing them, and at a point you may get confused, especially new YouTubers. You'll be seeing advices, you'll be seeing tutorials, you'll be seeing some condemning this action, you see some encouraging it, a lot of things. And if you've ever felt like giving up at some point, or you've ever felt like you are doing something wrong, then take a deep breath and relax, okay? Especially if you're a new YouTuber. Well, I've seen a lot of these videos. I applied a few of them, of the advices, and I ignored a lot of them because at a point I was getting confused. At a point I was like, should I even go on with this YouTube thing? Well, YouTube is something I love and I love doing it. I don't care whether I'm still small or big. It's something I really love doing. So I got discouraged at some point, but that didn't stop me. Yes. I've told myself that no matter what I've seen in this YouTube space, whatever it is that people are saying is happening on YouTube, good, bad, ugly, I really don't care. Me, I'm on my own journey, I'm on my own path, and I'll do the right thing at the right time accordingly. So when I started YouTube, I didn't understand it properly. I've seen groups that people say, okay, join this group for your channel to grow. There are other YouTubers, you subscribe for me, I subscribe for you. To be honest, I joined those groups because I felt, okay, this will help my channel, and I was not even consistent. I was just posting videos anyhow, like that. So I didn't really understand YouTube properly. So I said, okay, well, if this will grow my channel, no wahala, let me join. And I joined. They will drop link today, okay, subscribe for this person. And we were doing that. So at a point, I got tired. I'm like, okay, today I'll see 50 subscribers. Tomorrow I'll see 30. I'm like, these people are going back to unsubscribe to my channel, which is not fair. I was so angry. I was mad and all of that. I didn't know that. See, YouTube is wiser than what you think or who you think they are. YouTube is very smart, or YouTube handlers or YouTube creators. They are very smart. You understand? So they know when there's spam, they know when something is happening, they know when there's a copyright, they know when something is wrong. And I kept complaining. I was like, what is happening? It took me time to realize that these things don't work. A lot of people have come to me to even say, or you see them online, say, okay, buy subscribers, buy watch hours, buy views, do this, do that. I'm like, hey. So after buying all of these things, what will I now do with my channel? Okay, I'll buy them. So who will now watch my videos afterwards? Each time I see a notice or an advert of, okay, boost your channel, pay 100k to get 10 views, or to get 100 views, or to get your watch hour, I'll be like, me, please leave me. Let me be doing my the wheels on the bus go round and round. Let me be doing it gently and grow in it, okay? When I go round and round, I'll start ascending and I'll go. I learned the hard way. So this sub for sub, follow for follow, stop doing this, stop doing that, my darling. Calm down. Calm down. Think. Watch other top creators. See what they are doing differently. See what they are doing that is unique. Then you do yours differently. There is nothing wrong with posting shorts, except it's another person's video that you pick and put on your channel, which is not proper. I made a similar video like this about the right things to do for your channel to grow, and I'm going to mention them again. And ever since I started applying these things and these principles, these steps, to be honest with you, my channel has never remained the same. I know I'm not where I want to be yet, but I'm not where I used to be. I'm experiencing massive growth and I'm shocked. I'm like, wow. 2 years back, it wasn't like this. Even last year, it wasn't like this. By the way, YouTube sent me a notice that I'm 4 years old on YouTube. I got the notice yesterday. I'm like, wow, really? So 4 years on YouTube, 2 to 3 years of unseriousness and playing around, then 1 year of being serious. Yes, because it was last year that I held the bull by the horn. I became very serious with YouTube. I guess I had understood YouTube to some extent. I got to a point where I understood how it really works, and I was able to find my path appropriately. And I'm applying a lot of things that I've learned, and I can say that I'm doing well. I'd say so myself. So quickly, these few steps will really help your channel's growth, and it will help you get monetized. Number one thing is to post valuable content. Post solutions to people's problems. If you want to do vlogs, do it. If you want to do lifestyle, yes, lifestyle vlogs work hand in hand. If you want to do education, if you want to do beauty and style, just pick a niche or two. Make sure you marry them together appropriately and you give out value to your audience or your community. That's number one. Number two, be consistent. It doesn't have to be every day, maybe once a week or twice a week, but make it worthwhile and don't miss it. That's consistency. It's not by showing up every day. Okay. Number three thing is to make good use of your SEO. Very important. For your videos to travel far, make very good use of SEO. Search engine optimization. Yes, it helps with traveling with your content. It helps with pushing your content, and also you can read about it on Google. You can watch videos about it and learn one or two. Then you apply them appropriately. The fourth thing is that you should have a catchy thumbnail, catchy title, and description. Yes, you have to create beautiful content, eye-catchy content, and your title have to be convincing and clickable. Okay, your description should be loaded and the content itself should be valuable, like I mentioned earlier. The last but not the least is to make use of vidiq app. You'll say I'm here again. Yes, I am here again with this vidiq app thing. Make use of vidiq. It really helps you. It helps you understand the SEO stuff very well. It also helps you to balance your content. It helps you suggest the kind of title you give your videos. It suggests the titles actually. It suggests hashtags. It suggests a lot of things, and it shows you how your video is or the scores for your videos. It generates scores for your videos for you. It will show you if your video will do well or not. It helps organize your videos. Yes, it helps organize your content very well, and I feel it's an app that you shouldn't do away with. I have videos on how to make use of the vidiq app, and I listed the importance of vidiq too. It is very, very helpful, especially for new YouTubers. So guys, please don't be confused, don't be tired, except you're not ready to do the YouTube thing. Some people start YouTube and in 3 months they are monetized. When you see stuff like that, you get discouraged sometimes. You feel like, ah, God, I've been on this street for how many years and I'm still here. To be honest, it can be quite discouraging. But our paths are not the same. Our ways are not the same. Our growth cannot be the same. So let's be focused and do what we really want to do. Okay? And if your mind is in YouTube, you're ready to succeed, scale through. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.